Hi, I'm Dave, and today I'll guide you through the first step to start using JigBuilder, a web app that will help you in your work on a car frame. This is the first of 4 video tutorials that will assist you in making the most of this application to ease your work and get straight to the point. Today, we'll see how to register and give an overview of how this service works. To begin, remember that JigBuilder is a web app, so you won't need to download anything on your PC. You can use it directly from the browser. However, it's necessary to sign up. Let's see how to do that. Open the website jigbuilder.com and click on the sign up button. You'll be asked to enter some details: name, surname, country, email, and a password which you'll need to confirm a second time. You'll be then asked whether you're a body shop mechanic or a bench reseller. If you don't fit into either of these categories, just select the body shop mechanic category. To proceed, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. After registering, you receive an email from service@jigbuilder.com. Unfortunately, it's one of those accounts you can't reply to. If you have questions, seek comfort, or want company, we are sorry, but his email won't provide that. However, this email will contain a link that you need to click on. Done? Great! Now your registration is confirmed. Oh, and of course, if you don't receive anything, remember to also check your spam folder. Mailboxes don't always trust strangers. Perfect. Now we can really start using JigBuilder. Let's reopen the app's website and find ourselves on the main page dedicated to cards. But wait a moment, what's a card? Outside the web it's called in many ways, but it's essentially a drawing where the reference points of each model of a car are identified. Alright, JigBuilder's card is a digital blueprint where we'll transpose points starting from the paper-based diagram we should already have. Note that the advantage is that every time you create a card, you enter the fundamental points of a specific car model. Consequently, every time you need to repair a car of that model, you can consult that card without entering the points again. You can do this because on each card, you can open different worksheets. So, in short, the card is the foundation. It's the layout where you'll enter the fundamental points of the car based on the paper-based schema, provided by the car manufacturer or other suppliers. The work, on the other hand, is the task you'll perform based on these points. For each card, you can add multiple works to manage multiple repairs of the same car model. In the workplace, you will replace virtual jigs on the actual points of the specific car that you need to repair on the workbench. Clear on the difference? Alright, we've covered enough ground for today. Let's take a break, and in the next video we'll understand in detail how to create a card and how to identify the points on the car. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or doubts about using the service, you can chat with an assistant 24/7 using the chat button at the bottom right of the app's main screen. If you liked the video, you can give it a thumbs up and share it with people who you think might find it useful. You can also subscribe to the channel. Clicking on the bell icon, you can activate notifications. This way, you'll receive an alert when new videos are released and won't miss them. Good work and happy measuring with JigBuilder.